Nakaka-help ba mag-improve ng acne scars ang isotretinoin? So basically guys, ang pinaka-common types ng ating mga acne scars ay yung mga atrophic acne scars, and they are further classified into rolling scars, boxcar scars, and ice pick scars. And para sagutin yung tanong kanina, nakakita tayo ng isang recent study na nag-i-investigate ng potential ng isotretinoin in treating pre-existing atrophic acne scars. So ang study na ito ay na-publish noong 2023 kung saan sila ay gumamit ng shear wave elastography para objectively na ma-measure yung mga changes sa scar characteristics during isotretinoin treatment. And the results indicated na merong significant improvement in terms of scar size, skin elasticity, and scar severity over a 90-day period. And also guys, nakita natin ang isang study na ito. So ipinapakita dito guys, no, that combining isotretinoin with laser and other light-based therapies ay kinoconsider na promising in terms of enhancing outcomes para sa treatment ng acne and associated acne scarring. So na-conclude sa meta-analysis na ito na ang combination therapy, which includes isotretinoin, lasers, and light-based therapies, resulted in superior clinical outcomes without increasing yung mga adverse effects compared to isotretinoin alone. So guys, yung mga patients ko naka-isotretinoin, alam niyo na to, hindi ako fan of using lasers ng basta-basta sa mga patients naka-isotretinoin. But there are patients who are on isotretinoin na gusto na nilang i-work or improve yung acne scars nila. So basically guys, I make an exception using this machine. This machine is the Luminous Pico 4. Ginagamit natin to para sa mga patients na naka-isotretinoin and gusto na nilang i-treat yung kanilang acne scarring. So far guys, I can actually use this laser already if 1 month clear na of any new acne ang ating patients on isotretinoin. Kasi guys, yung experience ko sa laser na to guys, no, even naka-isotretinoin sa patients, guys, never ako nagkaroon ng patient na nagkaroon ng post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation or worsening of scarring. Kasi guys, yung concern natin with darker skin phototypes like Filipinos, and pag naka-isotretinoin pa sila, and gagamitan mo sila ng mga lasers, yung pinaka-concern natin talaga is post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation and scarring. So far, hindi ko na-experience yun ever. Even naka-isotret yung patients with the fractional regime of this Pico 4 machines. Yun ang tinatawag natin na RevScar Pico 4. With other machines, I don't have experience using them for isotretinoin patients, but may mga ibang board-certified dermatologists po na may experience sila with other lasers in their patients with isotretinoin. For now guys, ito talaga yung machine na gamit ko for my patients on isotretinoin, and also may good safety profile and effectivity naman siya. Kaya ito usually talaga ang nire-recommend ko for my patient. But if your other board-certified dermatologists have different recommendations, wala pong problema. For sure, meron silang experience with the lasers that they have. So you can ask them about it. So kasi guys, yung ginagawa ng ating Pico 4 guys is that it creates yung LIOBs or laser-induced optical breakdown. Kasi guys, when you heat or burn the skin, dyan po talaga nagkakaroon ng mga possible complications like your post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation or worsening of pigmentation or darkening of the skin, and also scarring. But with the Pico 4 kasi guys, no, what it does, it doesn't really heat the skin. The laser is so fast that it creates this optical breakdown. So, pag natamaan siya ng laser ng Pico 4, nagbe-breakdown yung area na yun ng skin. And what happens is that breakdown actually encourages inflammation, and the inflammation encourages the deposition of normal skin collagen, eventually helping to revise or improve the appearance of your acne scars. Ordinary lasers, what they usually do, they heat up or they burn the area to create columns of injury, and para magkaroon po yun ng inflammation, and doon po magbe-build up yung ating mga collagen. But this Pico 4 guys, what it does, because it's so fast, it causes an optical breakdown of your tissue. And eventually, it helps revise the appearance of your acne scars. Yun po yung theory behind that. So, that explains why hindi tayo masyadong nagkakaroon ng mga complications using the Pico 4 laser even for patients who are on isotretinoin. So for me guys, no, isotretinoin can prevent acne scarring pag na-initiate ito early in the process of your moderate to severe acne, and also it can treat existing atrophic acne scars. Alright guys, so if you have any questions about isotretinoin, lasers used with isotretinoin, or anything about acne in general, you can drop a comment below or you can direct message me. Alright guys, I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye!